it to the front. Scores! The home team's on the board.
And that is a textbook start for a home team. Get the early first goal, make the road guys start to chase you. Really good backhand shot here. He got into the low slot, and really tough for the goalie to read where that puck's going.
Anaheim scored first. I don't think the anthem singer's even off the ice yet.
This is the plan. Quick start. I don't think anybody thinks it's going to happen this fast.